Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS, James here. How are you today? In this video, we'd like to share the work we already finished in the truck, which is DAF truck. Here you go. And this one actually came to us with the aftermarket radio over here, and you see now it's already removed and already rewired everything inside, and we leave the hole because we soon fill this one up with a single DIN storage pocket over here. But main important thing is that we already finished the job with a special 9-inch build on the top of the dash center console, and at the very best angle of view for the driver. You can see that is the video looking down on the screen light, you know, the main driver's position down there, and it absolutely works beautifully. And that is the one with the wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera. The truck is about, actually it's the crane truck. It is a very long flatbed, and it's about 12 meter, almost 11 meter to the back end, and we already installed the camera at the very center of the back of the truck. So have a look here. If you see this, here's how the camera works. Okay. Super clear, super detailed, very balanced, left and right. And see down on the ground from the top, look down, here's the number plate, and this is the, you know, the yellow thing saying don't overtake the vehicle along with thing, blah blah. But it's looking down on the ground like a raindrop down to the ground right there, and super clear. And this Full HD anti-glare and super night vision camera, you can count everything on the back of the truck at this moment, and in the night time it will be beautiful as well. So that is the way that we install the reverse camera at the back of this crane truck and DAF truck, and everything is beautifully in the place. The very best way to install on the DAF, because you can't install here, it blocks the vision when you're driving, it blocks the access and vision. It's not good, and would say not good to block everything over here, and here definitely is the best position. So once again, premium system, Full HD anti-glare, super wide vision camera, wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. And thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.